Okay, so I'm just gonna go walk over this trade, why I entered it, etc. Okay, so I'm just gonna go walk over this trade, why I entered it, etc. Yeah, so the plan is to eventually do daily live streams of me trading. I'm just trying to sort out, the process behind it in terms of a routine behind it, and also like some slides to make it a bit more professional and just a sustainable way of doing it. But yeah, so reason I'm in long is this is to my trading plan to an extent. I haven't taken this on my personal because there is a bit of there is one thing which isn't to my plan, but everything else is. So looking at Euro GBP, I mean we're clearly bullish. Even if you look at like structure, look at this huge spike up. Plus we're in the 50 EQ area, expected to go up there. Now knowing that Euro is bullish, then hence why I'm looking for longs on here. And this is like a very simple entry model. Let me just turn my camera on. There we go. So, as I was saying, it's a very simple entry model. Okay, all I did, look for a breaker structure with a body that we got with imbalances on the way. So very high probability. Got imbalance right there, essentially. So we have closed below it, but I mean, it looks like we're reacting and pushing off the 50% EQ, so that's a good sign, at least. So I mean, yeah, we'll see what happens. But this is the reason I got into this trade. Pretty. Yeah, whoever's watching, make sure to like the stream. Just click that like button. Let's get it to more people. And yeah, let me know if you're in any trades, if you have any tips, things you've learned on your journey. So yeah, let me know how everything's going. In the meantime, while this trade is running, I'm going to try to create a thumbnail. So then it make like, because right now the thumbnail is literally nothing. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the live chat. Just write it in the chat. Or if you have any like, if you've taken any trades, etc., let me know. And yeah, I'm gonna try creating a thumbnail. This is the trade I'm in currently, Euro USD long. And pretty much, yeah, let's see where it goes. Usually I'd like to close by 12 around here, but we could potentially go higher. I haven't actually put take profit on this. 1 to 2 is around, what's this, 109,793. 109,793. So this is two. It needs to be a bit more to get 200. It's around 2.23 to get that. I'm just gonna go for a 2%. Take profits updated. No, I don't trade gold actually. I only trade, for now at least, Euro USD and GBP USD. I backtested these two, and hence I just trade these right now. But yeah, this box I've highlighted is the imbalance that I was looking at. Plus, it's a 50% EQ entry. So these are the confluences. I'll just write imbalance on that. FEG. So whoever joins knows what I'm talking about. But yeah, come on. Make sure to like the stream. Just take 1 second out. Just like the stream real quick. It'll give me an indication that, you like what I'm doing and you want to see more of it. And then, I can make it like a daily thing to get on live streams, show you my trading journey, show you how things are going, live emotions, which will be good for me and for anyone watching, because I feel like sometimes people don't show live emotions and things like that. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat, and let me know if you're trading anything today. How's your week been? Have you had any struggles in trading? Things like that. But yeah, let me know. If you're new, make sure to click the like button, smash that like button. Get more likes, the stream goes out to more people, basically. So yeah, really appreciate if you just smash that like button real quick. But yeah, EURUSD long, and I'm gonna try creating a thumbnail real quick. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the chat. 13% as well battery, so I can only live stream for like, what's the time? 9. I got like 10-15 more minutes to live stream, so let me know. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know now. I might not be able to answer them later because I'll be ending the stream. But also let me know if you want daily live streams like this. Right now my phone's dying, so the quality of my camera isn't that great. I'm using the MacBook camera, but I've got a really nice camera with my phone, so that should be connected from from my next live streams. But yeah, I just got in this trade. I thought I'd just talk you through it, I guess, what's going on. I haven't taken this on my personal. There was news at 7 a.m. Now, if there's news at 7 a.m. on TradingView, from my back testing on FX Replay, I know that it's not the highest probability. Like if there's any news, it's on the highest probability. So there's no major news on Forex Factory. FOMC is all the way at 7 p.m. But there was 7 a.m. news, so that is one I'm a bit cautious about. But I'll definitely journal the trade. So if I'm being totally honest, I think this trade it's not high probability. That's for sure. I know it because there was news at 7. So I know that it's on the highest probability. I probably wouldn't even take this on my back testing, to be fair. 7 a.m. news, yeah, I'll just skip past it. I'll skip this day. But it's something to, note down. If it's like 7:15 news, yeah, you know what? I'm not taking that trade. But if it's 7 a.m. news, could I potentially take it? Well, let's see if this works out. We'll have to see. I mark H1 highs, lows without bias, and then find M1 unicorn setup. It works 75. Okay. That's good. I mean, that's the thing, if you've digested ICT everything and you've condensed it into, what works for you, something you can resonate with, that's calm. That's cool. Whatever works for you, whatever you've back tested, etc. I'm trying to find a good thumbnail I can do for these live streams. Something simple and generic. I might just go with this generic pick. Might actually just switch up. Let's see if we got any more comments. Yeah, bro, come live daily and mostly in New York, NYC. Mostly, what? Do you mean New York session? I only trade London though. That's the thing. Only London session. I don't know if my Discord's linked. I'm gonna link it from next time onwards. I'm gonna link my Discord in the description. It's a free community. I've also added a completely free trading course. So if you want to know the basics of FX, technical analysis, a shortened version of ICT concepts, everything you need to know, that's all there for free. All you have to do is join, and you can view that content. Basically, it's all there. It's very risk management. All of these things are there. So that's that. But yeah, I'm really looking to just level up the channel, level up the transparency, all of these things, and just grow, honestly. What's the time difference between Silver Bullet and Judah Swing? Okay, so this is my way of understanding it. This is what I've understood. And that is that Judah Swing basically is this 7 to 10. It's a 7 to 10 a.m. Judah Swing. Whereas the Silver Bullet is a very specific time and price. Okay. That specific time this is UK time, by the way, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. This is the silver bullet time. So you're looking ideally between 8 and 9 to get into your trades, or to at least have that initial break of structure. So in this trade, break of structure retraced into the fair value gap going up. So this break of structure ideally should be in 8 and 9. So I mean, yeah, this is technically a silver bullet trade. This would go down as a silver bullet. Between this timing and 9, this would be a silver bullet entry. Now, take profit doesn't have to happen within the timing, but it's just the entry. That is my understanding from what I've gathered. But yeah. I'm gonna try like leveling up the stream. If we get quite a few people, I'm talking about like, you know, a consistent 15, 20 people coming in daily. I'm gonna like upgrade it, add some music in the back, add an overlay around this to show you my win rate, trades won, trades lost, all of these things like that. So it depends if there's enough likes on this live stream. So if you haven't liked it, 6 of you watching, if you haven't liked it, make sure to smash the like button. It's right next to the share button, I think. Just hit that like button, spread it out to more people. More people can see what's going on, how it is to trade, emotions, etc. That's the whole point of this. Okay. I've got a bit of a cold as well, fortunately. Live trading. I'm just making a thumbnail. That's what I'm doing. Let the trade run in the background. Live trading. That looks good. We just add that red dot, red circle to finish it up. Ooh, looks like some selling momentum coming in on EU. Let's see, more comments. Still confused by the two. By the two. Oh, you're still confused by Silver Bullet. things like that. I think if you get your session, I can't speak. If you get your session timing right, I think the kill zone, that's the main thing. If you get, okay, I'm going to trade from 7 to 10, just do that. And always look for your trades in this window. Just keep it very simple. Backtest, obviously. For example, I've backtested and I found that the last time I want to be tagged in to the trade is 9:15. So if I get tagged in like 9:45, 9:35, I'm not taking the trade. So if you go down here, sorry, not 9:15, 9:20. So if this is like, what's this? Yeah, 9:18. So if 9:20 hits my entry, cool, I'm in. If 9:21 candle hits my entry, that's invalid. I wouldn't take that trade. There's actually an inverse fair value gap as well. This one, inverse, tapped into it, reacting off it. Asian highs right there for like 2R as well. Nothing on GBP. I wanted to look for sells. That didn't happen. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. What is the secret behind psychology? I don't think there's a secret. I feel like you just get numb with losses. If I'm being completely honest, you just get numb. You get hit so many times with losses that you just become numb. So I mean, I'll show you. Where's my MT5? Yep. So let me find something. A lot of losses. Okay, so if you look at this is a 100k funding account challenge. So if you look at this, let me see if it's showing. Yeah. If you look at this, okay, loss, okay, 3 losses in a row, another 3 losing streak, 1, 2, 3, 4 losing streak, 1, 2, 3 losing streak, 2 losing streak. So I mean, these losses will happen. And the funny thing is, you learn from these losses because some of these losses should have actually been winners and they were silly trades. So if you learn from that, just take the trade, follow the plan, and not take silly losses. You'll be in profit. But you need these to learn. These red things, you need them to learn. I need them to learn. And I've just been slapped so many times that you become numb to it. And just like, who cares? Like it is what it is. Like it's either gonna go up or down at a very basic level. That's it. I can't control it. I just have to show up. When using silver, it must be 5 minutes. I don't know what you mean by that. It can be any time frame to enter, if that's what you mean. Make sure to like the video, like the stream, give me a good indication that you like these videos, and I will get on daily live streams. I've never actually done it consistently, but it's not bad. I think the only issue or thing I see is that it takes a lot of battery up. What prop firm do you think is the best? I think FTMO, honestly. I still need to do a challenge from them. I'm just gonna go for 100k straight on FTMO once I like pass a 10k. I'll get some profits from that. And just invest that into the 100k FTMO and do that for the next year. and then just keep that account. Past that and keep that account. I think it's 10% and 5%, 15% in the whole year. I mean, the strategy works. It produces those results. So yeah, stick to that. Take that 15 and yeah. Hmm. So that's the plan, 100K. I mean, by like 2026, if you go 100K in account, risking zero point 0.5, aim for 2%, that's like 2K in pounds, it's less. I mean, if I can consistently do that, it's fine. Plus, getting other challenges, 200K is like, it can just compound very quickly. Next thing you know, you got 200K, you're making like 2% on that. You know, that's 4K. It's like 4K a month from trading. That's not bad. And then you just keep improving and growing the account sizes. And my aim is like by when I'm 25 to have a million in funding. That's the goal, right? To aim for that million. So this is the equity edge thing. I pretty much failed it. This was like a trial and error sort of account. I just got it for emotions. But yeah, I mean, if I lose it, this account's gone. And that's fine because loads of trades were just like, let's see what happens just for the heck of it. It was like £10. Um, yeah, just like a trial account. But this is one I took the trade on. I haven't taken it on my personal or my 10K, my funded FX, because this trade technically isn't to my plan. Because there was news at 7 a.m. So usually I'll just skip it on FX replay. I'll just skip it and move on. But yeah, no high probability trade as I've said already. What problem? Yeah, done that. Can I use Silver Bullet as entry? Can I use Silver Bullet as an entry for my day trade or intraday? Silver Bullet isn't an entry model. It's just the timing. The entry model is still the same thing of break of structure, retracement, there. And I believe it's into a fair value gap. Like that. So the normal kill zone is 7 to 10. This is what you look for in the kill zone. Silver Bullet is just this, but you're looking for this between 8 and 9, a smaller time window. But the entry model is the same. The entry model is the same. Can you show us your P&L? Yeah, so I took the trade on this. This is what I took it on. This is what's going on right now. But on my 10K, my funded FX, this is a challenge. I need 10% to pass this. So I'm, like 2.2% up. But I didn't take this. I didn't take it on this. I aim to pass that, my funded FX, when I aim to pass that by the end of the year. I mean, last month, following the plan was like 7%. So, like, it's possible. So I just need to follow it. I aim to pass that by the end. So starting next year, have that 10K. I'm just going to risk 1% on it, to be completely honest. Oh, I'll see. But get like a consistent 2% return on that 100, on that 10K. And we'll go from there. It's like $200. Just prove, And I'm going to just use that to get the 100K FTMO. That's the plan. And then throughout next year, just going to be grinding on that 100K FTMO. Do you have X account? No, I do not. I do not have an X account. What is your strategy win rate? It's a 55% win rate. I can show you. Go FX replay. This is honestly the best backtesting software I've ever used. But if we go to, this is pretty much my like 200 trades, something like that. 189. Yeah, so 60% this is showing. I'd say 55 to 60. But that don't like get all happy about that or anything, because there are months where it's a very low strike rate. It's just a combination of everything which gives you that. Yeah, this is just plummeting right now. I mean, this is what shows like I wouldn't take this on my back testing, and this is why, because I know like these are not high probability trades. I just took this for the heck of it. But yeah, strategy win rate done that. Was unicorn with silver pillar. If you buy this through Judas Silver, and you, this is what I mean. I feel like ICT is not him, but because of social media, there's always like unicorn this, silver bullet that. Like, just stick to like one model. Break of structure, fair value gap, break of structure, EQ entry. Simple. Just execute. Just keep it simple. It'll be amazing if I lose this trade, because it just shows that what you backtest is right and it actually reflects in the market. Because in backtesting, I'll just skip through this. So at 7, there was news down here. Which means I'll skip it, go to the next day. I wouldn't even look at anything on EU today. 55%. Yeah, exactly. With 1 to 2. Okay, I'm gonna have to go now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call it a wrap on today's stream. But yeah, like the video, share it around. If I get enough likes, I will consider doing a daily live streams if you like this. But let me know how it is, comment, all of that. Like, share, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's live stream if we get a good response on this. But yeah, pretty much happy trading and stay safe. I'll see you guys in a bit.